Hi guys, welcome to Dhan. Are you someone who wants to protect their gains and avoid any knee-jerk decisions based on emotions? Well, Dhan has got a solution to it. One feature known as trailing stop-loss order helps you lock in your profits and also protects you from any losses. It caps the amount that will be lost if the trade doesn't work out, and it also protects your gains. So let's see how we can use a trailing stop-loss order. The first step is to log into your Dhan app. This is how the Dhan dashboard looks like. Now if I want to use the trailing stop-loss order, I'll simply go and tap on my portfolio. And from the top bar options, I will tap on positions. Here are the open positions that I have. Now let's say that I want to use the trailing stop-loss order on Tata Motors. So I'll go ahead and tap on Tata Motors. This will help me manage my positions in detail, and it also gives me a nudge that says that my position is naked and that I should add a stop loss. I'll simply go and tap on add. Now I'll get three options in cover your risk that says stop loss, trailing stop loss and target. Since this is about the trailing stop loss, we will go and tap on trailing stop loss. Enter the quantity that you want this trailing stop loss to be added on. For now, I'll go ahead with my entire quantity, that is 10. Now, since the trailing stop loss that I want is on the market price, I'll go ahead and switch off the toggle on the limit price. This will lock the price to market. Now, I'll go ahead and set my trigger price. For now, I'm setting it to 430.00. The next is trailing jump, which is actually the most important part of this feature. I'll first set it to 2 and then exactly explain what a trailing jump is. You can also see that in the important notes it is mentioned that the stop loss will be triggered at 430.00 with a trailing jump of 2. Now this means that for every 2 movements in the last traded price, your stop loss will move by 2 in the same direction. Now you can simply go ahead and tap on sell. And your trailing stop loss order has been set. Trailing stop loss is a feature in the industry which is usually offered in a package with bracket order. We have consciously made a decision to bring it separately from the bracket order and provide it on top of all the positions. So start your trading and investment journey with Dhan now.